Welcome to Steph's Academic Tuition Center. With me here is mathematics on surds. So I'm talking about a surd. A surd is a number in form of this. For example of the square root of 3. This number is called a surd, because this 3, it has got no perfect square. So we call this one as the surd. So I'll just go straight to some examples. So question number 1 is saying that simplify the following So option A is 7 root of 3 plus root of 12. So in short, they want us to simplify this expression. So as you can see, this 3 is already simplified because there's no number which can multiply. Example like a number times a number to give us 3, and one of the numbers supposed to have a square root. So this one will just go straight to be 7 a root of 3, then plus then now we'll go to this one. So this 12 this 12 we need to simplify it. So which two numbers can we multiply to get 12? And one of the numbers supposed to have a square root. So the number that I'm considering myself is 4 times 3. Because 4 times 3 is 12. And bear in mind that 3, it has no perfect square, but 4, it has got a perfect square. So it means we can write this, we can say 4 times 3 in same square root. Then now we can try to split this same as the square root of 4 times the square root of 3. So there's no problem, you can split them like this. It's same as x, y. When they're in square root, this one also can be written as the square root of x times the square root of y. It's just same, there's no difference. So this one now, I'll try to simplify this one, which is the root of 4 times the root of 3. Yeah, so the square root of 4 is 2. So it means here I'll write 2 here, then times the root of 3. Because 3, it has got no perfect square root. So I'll multiply 2 times the root of 3 to be 2 root of 3. So it means the answer for this one is this, which is the 2 root of 3. Yeah, then now, as you can see, we have the root of 3, and these are like terms, so I'll add them. So 7 plus 2, the answer is 9. Then the root of 3. This is the simplified one. So this is the final answer for this question. Yeah, so question B is the root of 20 plus 2 the root of 45 plus the root of 80. So what I'll do here, I will start with this one first. So I'll write it here, and I'll need to simplify it from here. So I'll say 20 root of 20 is equal to, so which number can I multiply to get 20? Two numbers, in fact, that I will multiply to get 20. So one of the numbers is supposed to have a perfect square. So I'm thinking about a 4 times 5 in the same square root like this, which will give me 20 here. So this one same as since 4, it has got a perfect square, and the square root of 4 is 2. So it means 2, then 5 will remain in the square root because it has got no square root. Okay, then again I'll come to this one first, which is 45. So write 45 here, then like this. Bear in mind that there's 2 here, so this 2 I'll ignore it for now. Then I'll say is equal to, again, which two numbers can I multiply to get 45? So I will try, and 9 times 5, it is 9 times 5, it's 45. So 9, it has got a perfect square, so 9 will come out. So square root of 9 is 3, so I'll write 3 here. Then the root of what? Root of 5. Okay. Then I'll come to 8 again. 8 again, a root. So which two numbers again can I multiply? So this one, if I want it, I can just use 16. I can use 16. I can say 16 times 5. I know the answer is 80. So, which is equal to the square root of 16, which is 4. And also the root of 5 like this. Or this one, I can split it. This number is very big, I can say, because I know that I'll write it like this. I'll say 4 times 4 times 4 times 2, which is 80, then times 10, which is 8. Okay, so I'll continue splitting this one. I also say 4 times, because this time this is 20, and when I say 4 times 5, the answer again to give me what? It was to okay, because 4 4 times 5 is 80. Because when I say 4 times 5, the answer is 20. Then 20 times 4, which is 8. So this 4, it has got a square root. And square root of 4 is what? Is 2. So outside, again, this 2, it has got it has got a perfect square. Then the square root of 4 again is 2. Then now times the root of 5. And this 2 times 2 is 2. It was 2 taking us to what? To 5. 4 root of 5. So now I'll come back to this. So I know that the square root of 20 is same as 2. The same as 2, a root of 5. Then plus. Then the square root of, so I'll write this 2 here. We'll have a 2 here, then open bracket. The square root of 45. 45, the answer is what? The answer is a 3, a root of 5 again here. Then plus, then the root of 80, the answer is this one, which is a 4, a root of 5 like this. Okay, then from here now I'll simplify, because I know this first one to multiply this. So 2 root of 5 plus, okay, 2 times 3, which is 6, root of 5 here, then plus a 4 root of 5 again. So now here, since these are like terms, so I'll add. So I'll say 2 plus 6, which is 8. 8 plus 4, which is 12. So 12 root of 5 will be our final answer for this question. The final answer for this question. Hope it's very much clear. Then I'll go to question C. Question C. So question C is a root of 108 minus 8, a root of 3 plus 3, root of 48. So I will need to split this part here. So I'll start with the root of 108 is equal to. So which numbers, two numbers can I multiply to give me 108? So I'll try 36 times 3. Then I put a square root here, because I know that 36 times 3 to give me 108, and 36, it has got a perfect square. So the perfect square for 36 is 6 here. Then 3, it has got no perfect square, so I'll just write 3 here like this. Then I'll go to the next number, which is this one. Since this one cannot be simplified, so I'll leave it. So I'll go to to root of 48. Again 48, which numbers can I multiply to give me 48? So let me try 16 times 3. So 16 times 3 is 48. So this 16 has got a perfect square, which is what? Which is 4. So write 4 here and the root of 3. So now I'll bring these numbers here. So the root of 108 is this answer, which is a 6 root of 3, then minus. So I'll put 8 root of 3, then plus, then I'll maintain. So this one, so write this 3, which is like this, bracket, then 48, the answer is a 4 root of what? Root of 3, like this. Okay. Yeah, then from here, now, from here, I'll proceed. I will say 6 root of 3 minus 8 root of 3. 3 times 4, which is plus 12 root of 3, like this. Then now here I need to add. So 6, add and subtract. I mean 6 minus 8 is negative 8. I mean negative 6 minus 8 is negative 2. So negative 2 plus 12, which is 10. So to be 10 root of 3, like this. So this will be my final answer for this question. Hope it's very much clear.